umurebera hambiri kuko yikishe kigomokere kitingurya ha utunobaye kandi ogomweruke mbona amashomero ga private 258 aga private uriwe ubu n'ubwega kandi aga private orugashoshorano tabagega abaha konga government ninkaga na shatu deraga secondary n'amashomero ga government mukaga aga private ashatu nabiri uriwe nyondi aga government ngondo agabagayiga ibintu byanyu atokiza amarwaro bitubona ni insurance burunga akarwaro kakaba katari kiruhura kazo kenye dispensary no shitekereho akaro dispensary haruguraho nosh basi konkati kundu kureba mu fayiro ndeba kazo ine health center 4 emwe na health center 3 mushanju nabo cyamagombero abirugonka ngugataine health center 4 health center 3 ago plane irimu fayiraha negera ngo nibaza kutungura health center 4 ya kazo kugihindura irware area district rero bakuzerwa muranga health center 2 ebe health center 3 rero bakuze migina kuri ya buramba bakuze migina kuri health center 2 kuba health center 3 so mbene ebyo enguto erukuza Nyakarro Burunga Kabogore Mpara biti mu mujimanya mani mfuga mbara konka cyegegwa nyinyi kujimanya wagendese bigere Mpara cyegegwa hapuyo karuguza muri cyo mu gikonesa mukagigamba kubi mugigamye ko kwere eje ngote neto arabire utanturga kutera kabamba statue nibanze ryo kugikora ati ntirezene n'aba China ngo batandiki so mbene ni tafari ya kabiri ria NRM hari Uganda iri kubanza obusinge ria kabiri entunguka mbwenaho notwatanire n'aba UPC na DP na kabaka yenka umyaka yankaga bakabaza bagamba batyo babuzabuza abantu abakanureba niba batafireho fukuje konka entunguka enkurakurana atukamba buzi tukabakorera korasi twagiha Diantonde Nyakashita deba ngiye ka fotopoto nyekiro umurara korasi nibabuza ngo korasi nungi nicyo no yaranaraho numurara nkai muraro makagani natwe mukurga hano mugaruko makagani na nyobundi hano argo mukayanye ntungamo ati ni kuzarwa hitoro tingo kurara mukorasi kogar ko mukayawo umwabaje uburo rwatsugaye mukasheshe ushanga bukutegereje bukwakira kurukora ikigo butitwe tikiriya abana tabene shukari amashitagete aratugarumu imyenda abana n'u Rwanda kaburangitsikamwe ibitengo byona tubiru mbona aho myaka yankaga tikiriya begi nishomesa hariya burunga narga rukoni twatanga kushomesa abantu nyaburamu muri cyo kugira mbiyentunguka byonka mongero ikigambo cya kashatu ubugeiga entunguka ne atwena umusinzi umucecezi umushuma urukuza gukora icyo mugasho bona bakozesa korazi ni atwena konko ubugeiga nubo wawomuka kandi uburo nawo nubo wawomuka uburo tubwange azaho umushoga akagamba ikigambo cy'urunyo umushoga akange kakera kaife atakange nikakira katwena mbone ngirejo twagishomesa abantu abo bakaba barimu bene bintu bakaba ine bintu bakaba inente zenyankore konka batende ntasya nibakorenda yonka ushanga binente itakaruho rukaritafunzire konka batakumanya kwihamu entasi twabashomeza abandi bakwata ubo imyaka hagati ya nkaga na mukaga na rukumirwe na shanju nambwe nkambore cy'abantu bamwe abakwatsire kateri umusheja rukuri ya ngoma uko munda hare kamuri obujuruzu
Munogwanye nimurisha utewe ya kureba nuko tandikira katakanda bito bakuya talobo hagwachadana meirisa zakanya nagura mataka nyuse nazo zankorera kwenda zashutuza abana bihereze natsuruho kabanza umunyankwe naje nahinda kumwata ngunzungu nuko zahanyiranye nazitunga atuzungu zinditsumute.
On our farm, we collect over 900 liters of milk per day, and a liter costs 800 shillings, which is approximately 21 million per month.
Atogo msheja matongo mukureba tashomiri n'umunyacyaro ngabari abayito abomu abantu bakorra enda yonka ko twabashomeye ya yeshubura ya rugumuru umurhu urukuru urukorenda yonka yamanyo korenda no koresha mwerma muhura n'umutungi hati burizo managemera ritamagana mwenda amategari ya hansoko umurukora aho kamateni mwingi ritane tunda shiringi runana konka aina matemenyi mbono mukwezi natase milioni 24 umwaka zo milioni 250 numureba yombe kirenje nungi yentura aine sora ashomisa abantu mwahuru mushinagambo rujungu graduate ati matongo n'umuntu musiya akeshubura yahinduka umurembe konga kandi bakore byona entunguka rinko bagambere enguto amashanyarazi emukwana mugamba munonga uko yari teriyo niki tari chorus ngoma chorus no gisiga mahiro aho gwari chorus no gisiga mahiro makumushanju nkambarira mbweno abo kazuki kambarira mahiro makumushanju chorus no gisiga kambarira azumurukora entunguka ninche konko bugega buriyo mbona abantu abana n'amayisho ikintu kimanya kunko ni bareba haba tsigazo bagenzi imana nanye kandi genzi umukunde bampa I'm a former youth obunagura rwakitura ngabanye n'imyaka 22 ubunagura rwakitura natsiga bagenzi banyembara nibatera dansi murukhindro mushitiro kamugero okamurwaza kazengera nyona nabatsigayo neje nagura rwakitura atari yonguto atari amashanyarazi atari ishomero kukanyo nindanzia obugeiga reni ryatumukunde baha ati bigutu byanyu kibigiye kwija ha byashanga umusheje nabo ero umusheje nabo ero mutungi mbona kuzamuka kugira abanyankore bayino bwenge kukira ibi mukuzamo umunyankore kwabana kwasirira ajya tukatungente n'urutoki tagira tukarara har chorus tinkahurira gumo umunyankore na hasirati mbono buyaye bumutawuni mbwegeresereze entongoka enguto enguto ni enteni chorus nyunkunda kwezika kunde boko kisozi ubunaza kisozi akata ryo ntunguka yona kungana reba y'ubugege nazayo so mbone ikintu cyo mucyetegereze mutandise ejye nguto nkaganeshato nkaba ntare government ya leta nguto ya chorus ya giha Kampala yagera byombarura ya gisya kabare nkagane atana agena n'abandi abana kutera umpira na cricket teso college ejye nguto ker chorus ubu kandi tugumene tugikora tugigarakamu betuna hati irizo kukuza kurosha ngaboro bariya chorus yaho aboro bariya barwa chorus nabo kintu NRM ne bashaba ukusimuka uricyo kugira umby'abayayi hati twagira mu government ebi tukabikora tutakagira mu government tutakagira na kurwana twatanga kuburira abantu ingiri kunu yenyo inatandikiye twagira mu government ingiri twagita mu government umkaruka cyane mukaga deba barasasara bakaba yumo manifesto committee ninyijuka umkarurako tukatamu hikina nebyo gukora mushanju abo bantu abamataka agafunzire Hikemwe utemu mwana. Ike ya kabiri utemwe bijuma. Ike ya kashatu utemu obunyatsi bukuri sente zo mucyushu. Ike ya kana utemu ibikuriye byeka. Ekanyima uteyo enkoko z'amahuri. Ninga shoteyo uteye empunu abatari basalamu n'abanyankora bakare kuko bahatu bagize mwe empunu muzerezeho. Dero umuizinga uteye ibidiba by'inyanja niko tuhababurira umuhandike manifesto abamutu bafaye konkaro abahurire nyireyo amara umusigazi basangwa wakamuri kamuru ujuruzu.
Samba Johnson, Managing Director wa Jeka Poultry Farm. Jeka Poultry Farm eyaganibwa Bukwenge Kamuli Municipality, Kamuli District. Mu 2007 twatandika obulunzi nga tutandikira mu Kamuli Town Council by then mu plot yali 50 feet by 100 feet. There's a foot ya 5 ku 10 eda itaka. Tutandika tutya twali nga tulina ebyobufuzi wano mu Kamuli nga waliwo ensonga nga chairman wa C5 omugenzi Kawuga bamwidukira Katonda mu ekyumulo eky'emirembe nga bamutoyiremu abantu banja batama application nga bali kwenda okufuuka ba chairman ba 5. Ayi president yaida yatulungamya yakoba tubana abantu mwena temusobola kuba ba chairman ba 5 aye abantu mujje mukola emirimu egindi ng'okulunda yayogera nidi okulunda enkoko byonna yabyogera nze napikinga mu kyokulunda enkoko n'atandika farm mu 2007 n'enkoko 5 sabadi mwendera farm kuno tize mabega ntambwire president yaida yankyalira mu 2010 nga nina enkoko 5,000 yasanuka ino sabadi no tutambwire tulina enkoko mitwalo kuna mulala tufulumya amagi etwe 2,000 buli lunaku etwe 2,000 divamo milioni 2 buli lunaku omwezi diba milioni 6 omwaka tuba tuli mu bilioni ze mukaga n'ekitundu etwatukolaki
atumari mwahura ubwo mutsigazi basangwa nyubuka byanye biri mu bakana Rwanda akarimo ka RC5 ya district ya Kamuli nibenda kuitana nkuna zina bitriki mubana mwe akarimo aka kana ko umuntu omwe imwe bandi tumukore bindi nabagambira ibintu bagambira ati enjiri yingo bagambira ati yotani ngambira abantu ebina ngambira nkagana mukaga ibintu kugamba ati biti kwenda bigambo nguwe umbena mugambire ya mama hori akateni itaka ngo akaine ka proto mutauni kafuti atano harfuti gana ka plot ateni itaka atari mwabo ina mataka mbona yataka kulise koko umka plot ako hati haro kugambira burizo banatunda trays amahuri 12 burizo batashye miliyoni 20 burizo ukwezi milioni 600 umwaka bilioni mushanju na milioni 200 hugo nori kukhabura kwetu kandi bo karamoja
I'm Mr. Korayadik Ogira. I am a model farmer in Abim district. My village here is called Arangetai West. Arangetai Parish, Abuk Town Council, Abim district, in Karamoja. The mango trees you are seeing here were given to me by the president through Operation Wealth Creation. I received 200 mango seedlings, and I planted all, and they are all doing well. Apart from this venture, I got money from PDM last year. I got 880,000. And I used 800,000 for buying 10 goats. And the goats are there. They have multiplied. They are now 16. Part of the money of PDM I used for buying cassava stems. Through that money, I've managed to plant 2 acres of cassava. They are now doing well. The first acre I intend to harvest next year in January. Then for the mangoes, you are seeing, I started harvesting last year in 2023. The first harvest, I got 6 million. That was in June. Then second harvest in November, I got another 6 million. So last year, from these mangoes, I got 12 million shillings. I've been selling to the people around. Actually, Soroti Fruit Factory has booked this mango. They want me to take these mangoes tomorrow, 2025, to the factory. Actually, I've been selling locally. I've been selling 1 at 500 shillings, 2 1,000, and people are buying. These mangoes are very good. The mangoes trees you are seeing here are giving me money, a lot of money. And I want to thank His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, Kaguta Museveni, for coming up with the idea of Operation Wealth Creation in the country. This is money. I am not going to suffer. My children will not suffer because of this wealth. I tell you what now. I always harvest. I don't harvest mango. I harvest money, not mangoes. So I want to thank our president so much. And next year, if all goes well, I expect to get 18 million first harvest. And then second harvest, I also expect to get 18 million next year, 2025. So altogether, I expect to get 36 million shillings. And this money I will use for paying fees for my children.
Numuntar Karamoja Numahiru Maganata Nukurga Karamoja Tayo Kasoro Kakoras Exoro Ito Abantungamu Wabero Amigama Bayi Kizenya Mahanga Haria Akasoro Kenya Makayo in the Mataka Ushi Kasoro Kapsul Rock Karamoja Tarina Kasoro Kakoras Etumkanich Konka Obgega Bastri Mamuro Yeraksima Abagursa Benatan Chirenabo Tota Chirenabo Tuaba Wire Okshinruka kurwo mukorenda no korenda nishaho bayikiriza batandika abaguruse bona babitwino bakaburuku bakagendagura bakakoro batyoya ababurunga kuriya abakunuya isheri yondo bengi bahinduka batanga kuri sente twarete okugemura bagemura namwe nata abantu bariki bagemura bengi namwe bengi konka bagire fumu gata munonga tugebushe mbeho mbona kandi abantu bashutu batagata ukibareka bahora amazi nugateka gatabura ukigata hasi gagaruka gafu mbona hatu mukagera mu kufuka ari nabatugire ntumukiri tukabashomesa okugemura konka mukiremire aha kusetura okusetura nisini bagandira ntokusetura okwo nukusera itaka nukushisha itaka kuri kuba nosetura square ni sente 300 kuzirisa waheza gukora biri bitwabanze gukora ibyo kukura umutete ibyo mukabikore gukura umutete ukuyamo ubugando ibyo bikayambaho konka mwino ukuyongerayo wakore ibyo square mile 300 ukuriye iginyekiro 300 nenyana konka wakore kitwahabura ukinga ubunyatsi ndibwo natwe muzeho ukinga ubunyatsi ente mukayitemera mukazihera mu cyushu mutagira gusetuka kunagira umwanya kukatagira kutamasha aho mwinokuruga hwawe mwakore mwahinga ubunyatsi hikemwe ni sente 8 z'enjungu umwaka hikemwe cyama isangu square mile hati yaza kuri sente 10,000 mwato uko kuzagira uko muzagire muzaguruke muri gihe waho atkamboreke abakorebyo banyorekere Joseph Ijara waserere
Hello, my name is Joseph Ijara. I'm the proprietor of the Taifa Farm, which is located in a place called Kapusi, where we are. And in Taifa, we have a dairy, poultry, and we're also making laundry bar soap. We also have the value addition aspect of the farm, where we produce yogurt and pack it in it for the market. This project started 11 years ago after an inspiration from His Excellency, the President of Uganda, when he had come here and he was teaching people about the 4-acre model. We were having a rally in Soroti, and that time I was working as a taxi driver. I was doing that Masao business in Soroti. So when I had this, when I had it was around, I crossed to go and listen to his story. And he was talking about a 4-acre model, how to improve our household income. So when I came back, because I delayed there and the guy said, you go and it was like that. But I had already this land, 2.5 acres, but I also had local chicken here. But after hearing that, I got inspired to put more effort on raising this chicken. So I raised the chicken to a tune of about 100 of them. Then I got a small incubator. That was about 4 eggs. So I used that incubator for multiplying my local chicken farm. Eventually I was having 1,500 local chicken around. I was very much for local chicken. So but then local chicken were not answering my day-to-day needs. So I decided to translate it to layers. In Taifa farm we have 10,000 layers, which give me about 310 trays per day. And each tray goes at a price of 10,500. So approximately about 3 million shillings a day from the eggs that we get. Of course, it varies depending on the cost of the feeding, but at least half goes to management, half goes to our pocket as Taifa. So after selling the layers, that money, I invested it on layering. I started layering with 4 cows. But you know, I multiplied very fast because I'm using AI. I have my own semen bank here. So I got initial insemination. And then I also got a vet who was able to train some of us here with the veterinarian. I think he's even here, that gentleman there. So the cows that I'm going to show you are cows that are bred from Taifa farm that produce, my highest produces 36 liters per day, and my lowest is at 20 right now, each cow. So 36, between 20 and 36 liters per day. And they all have names. I name them according to how I felt when they are born. We name them according to relatives, aunties, friends. So this unit that you see here is a unit of my highest milkers. So these cows have mattresses. They eat and then they come and rest here. This is where they rest, and they will be licking the mineral blocks. And then when it comes time for milking, they go and take a shower. As you can see, the showers there. The cow comes here and stands here. So after showering, they go and relax. We have music for them. Our cows have music. As you can see, we have installed here some speakers, and if you may allow, I can sample for you the music that my cows like. And the reason for giving them music is so that they relax and prepare them for the time of milking. So one time I was going to buy soap, and they were telling me 7,000. I got angry.
Ogun Joseph Ijala akatandika akahurura kwanje soroti umwaka 2012 nkangire soroti ningamba nyo kwanje no kugamba niko yombedwa uruko wanyene naza embiwe mweka gwa harikiri ekoma embiwe ndije kagwa mahwa ekanyoroza ndije mbiwe kagwa mpande nyikajya onkakaje rungi ekeraje mbona harimo abarukwera nkajya makahurira n'ingamba mbanga Yohana Mbatiza n'ingamba konka yahurira binagambira ngo akaine hikibiri next week zita ijata mwenkoko z'amahuri ata amahuri ubuna kwata filmu ejo akana natunda trade z'amahuri bishatu 10 buri zo na tasya miliyoni 3 buri zo ubunaza konka kaya yabuze rente intezo mareba nazingira ubunyatsi tuzukusetuka ziriyo mu kiju mbiju nohurira kwa ari umunyankwere wakari munasitiraho music abanyankwere bakana bakikora icyo manyo umbanda gwento kutera umbanda kintu cyabirindikishemezenti mbona nasitiraho umbanda azara imfarati itoba mporo twatwara icyare ente bakiye tumutuya icyare icyuwaya rero kandi kare ukagara twatukora ibyo hatwe ubo akana tundarita magana 3 turizo umuhiki ibireze next track hatwe nga ubundi gireyo aiza tatinye yongere ni ntunga miliyoni mukaga n'emitwaro 8 burizo ati byaba hariya susere tariyo korasi negarikira kumi arukuri yo muzinga konka no mugaye mbona hati imabanya bushozi mwino kureba nkatumwarga akusetora mwaza akwingira into bunyatsi aro n'abantu berane natoire wanyakana fotopoto aro mukana batwire tekatere nyakana wa fotopoto This village is called Rwengaju village in Kabarole, Poto City, and where we are here is my home and it's my farm. The biggest landlord in this village of Rwengaju is having 7 acres. People are surviving on quarter an acre, half an acre. 80% of the population here, they are on half an acre, they are on quarter an acre. This farm and this home is seated on 1.25 acre. It is surveyed land. And 1 acre of land here, where we are here, is costing 80 million Uganda shillings. It is very expensive to buy land. Our farm is called Kana Farm. It is having 4 economic activities. Number 1, we are in zero grazing of dairy birds. Number 3, we are in feed processing for livestock. And number 4, manure production. With the poultry, we have 8,500 chicken, and they are in a chick stage, grower and layer. Those which are laying are giving us 120 trays of eggs, which we are selling at 12,000 shillings per tray, which gives us 1,440,000, and the cost of production is 1,140,000, which gives us a net balance of 300,000 per day as profit. With a feed processing plant, every day we are processing 1,000 kilos or 1 ton of feeds. We are selling these feeds at 1,850 per kilo, and the cost of production is 1,700. So on every kilo we are making 150 shillings times 1,000 kilo. That is 150,000 shillings per day as net balance of profit from the feed processing plant. What has happened? But you don't bet Teresa. I took Yakana. Mwamureva nakora he came n'ubucweka bibiri mahura mahuri agaro kutunda twezi igana 20 burizo kwari kwihaza rukozesa ashati ntwara ashatu yesente burizo ekikuma isombiri 10 miliyoni 3 umukwezi ni miliyoni 9 nabo cyamahoro go.
For the dairy zero grazing section, we have got 8 cows. Out of these 6 are mothers now. The 6 mothers are giving us 120 liters of milk every day.
Okay,
we are selling.
Kare. Hatu mahura amahuri gonka ne miliyoni 9 okwezi yahiza kwihoza kukozesa ago namagoba mbona mwaka nagoba miliyoni 8 umwaka umukoko zonka umuhikemwe n'ubucweka bibiri amate mohora yatanga kubashobora enteze 8 ni martigana nabi ne yamuzinga yaho nesente nyingi muno umwaka natunga sente z'ukuringo miliyoni 200 nabo kimwe abanyabushozi abina amataka mahango abumwe kuganda tugaho nyine hikashatu uzitunda unoza mbende kuza kuronda itakera hangu ubu n'ubushema mwine gari bindi zo kureba mugashe uri mu mataka hikishatu hikina hika uburogo no wahike mwenyakana nyakana kana kunsha abantu 15 no mugege diri mu uzaga hikitana hiki 10 mwene ubukafiro ubu mbwetese mwagara kandi nkakuria gataka mnonga bigabushe ndo ubundo bukafiri nokubagana nyine kayargaho ukutwanyagura nyine kayargaho ha ninke nkuhirwa nyine kapapurika ninke chebebe ninyandeshe yanjye rero bushike bwashwe burugayo bwijano twenda bwezirikira Rwanda share hati nkaza kabari nashanga y'abakiga ntimo bakigamo nkene kinshobere ntikigirenta munenki noma bakigo kubagamba munenki ntinyina njoga y'amaizi yo kutaha amaizi konka nyina amajoro 5 mbwene inyungu bweriyemwe amajoro 5 ntigirenta baho namatubangarikamo ndimo shobora kujyata tukabaga n'ingusyo umuntu akatwara urugusyo tukashemera twene nguco ngwagishisha ntigirenta ngwengu utajata gereke egendeta yamezi tugato mwananga tugarikeyo tahinchure ndijo tugato mwananga ukitama kabona bayitoro abakiteka mwa bagizi mwamanya ngo kubagana ibyarwo munyungu ibikero kubagana inyungu mwebari mbwe naho ikintu kibaremesha cyo kushobora ukita aweke ibintu nyine akayargaho mutakora company ya family rero mukakora business yemu ibyargamo mukaha ezo koza ezashaga amagoba mukagabagana abuko no kubagana kubagana ukutari kwita no kubagana ukwita bene abanje abirungo nyine n'abanyabushozi nabo murukora abuka nabari yabona bangomo bona bakubahurira ukhabura kwita bakora ukakira makazi wa bibi ukseritaka no kwita ibintu mukameka yargo hato ejenita fari ya kashato NRM ilatare ayibana ukubashobora ikintu cyo bugayiga kandi kiyambere muno nambone umuhura ngo mwani umwana twaturi ahari shoho miliyoni 3 za kilogramu 6 Uganda yoga haturi miliyoni 9 ikiretse cyo neki n'umwana utwagabire ubwo operation restoration yagabire sare mubongere nanga so abantu babiri bahirirwe urukingo mwana hirirwe yargumboro na Uganda yo nayahirwa twagira umwana mwingi ukicyo kutari agamati umwana mutakasimukire kwega kamera ebyomo twatshaka amateke shakabate Denmark hatwina amatege nshaje murebe za factory zamate haturebe factory yambara Par factory akashatu NRM liatera ari Uganda obugaiga okusimura abantu akyo bugaiga tafari akashatu itafari yakana nitafari yemirumo katire yemirumo ya emirumo rene teganisa abantu ushanga abantu bateketeka ngwemirimo yo mu government nabona horana chairman wetu nkejariyo natura ngo abana bahereze kushoma mutubene mirumo yana mangisho mutubarondoro bwakarani fuko handiko mpapura konka kuna kankore che imirimo yero basangwa
gira president awere musanfino ku bintu byankoze eranga buli kaseera anti ekingako wendogera kati tu binabakozi ebikundi bisatu bekozesa
atumwale freeze there basangoria wabe na Rwanda karumoka LC5 kwa yuko barabanje yagegahara ati natase miliyoni 2 burizo ubugege bwabasangwa bwazare mirumo 300 y'abanya Uganda bandi ndebe bariya ategi yarwo mbugege bwabasangwa katurebe mirumo riko rwum factories Frida, atege tawo kureba. Iyo tawo kureba. Neta unisha. Hey nambare. Neta oniyama korogonga. Imama duka gumuru kumanyaga kunuya. Umachika. Uma nsekareta. Umwankai amaduka getu gaha. Nubuduko bwa sabundi obwe eviriti obwe amasagetala beta mataunaga enale mama sega kuja namakorogonga ate igitawuni ero mama kororo 55 kandi biziti katayo mu rumwe turebe abakoza babo Afriza deba bakozi abari mu ikororo muri yo debe namba yabo umukorero yambare umutawoneje nakora mu abantu umutwaro umwe n'ibiri namanve bireka namanve namwambe ati ibana banagemera ambwe hatari amakoro 273 bakoze abantu twarena nekumi mwete mwabayenarem mwino kukimanya ngo ubugaiga ubu kuzaremera umuntu ubugaiga bwanjye ko muntu bwa family bwa company ningasho bwa government nayo yabene parasteto emirimo ya gavumenti eyo ni mike imirimo ya gavumenti yona hamwe ni 8 abapolisi abasirikare bahiwa n'abashomesa abashaho bona 8 tekubasa kutuma nabo cyo nacyo ni tafari NRM etera Uganda kubereka muri kugira imirimo ya gavumenti terukumara wahura abantu bagambe imirimo ya gavumenti umunyenga ngeyo ininga kuningama stunted growth kuningama so elizoba n'amatafari n'agambaho biteka herije arabana benashomesha y'imikono barahyawa kora bari hano boyishe abuka nabona n'ubugaiga muja muroshi muroshi nebuti umujo n'umushi baherezo bujurizi muroshi ecyakwira umwishomero nenki kandi ukashoma ki atunukoraki rawusye mutsugaze
nimekashome kya mushanju kuna kiro mu kya mushanju nashitama habo butagera school fees yo kunyongera higuru kuna bendi aho shitami na hora program ngo reseraho industry hubs zo kwegesa abana ebyemukono kandi abana bo kuzayo kuba ine myaka 15 emyaka 18 sorry nkana ashise emyaka 18 nize papara nazo muhabu konka kagendanye no bwoba ntine masko abo kuma kandi ndeba ngo tinyine school fees yo kushashura konka cyo mu gisho murungi kuna ishiro muhabu nashanga obuhereza bwona oburaro ebyo kuriya amizi amashanyarazi byona nibyabushe nazo muhabu mwe nashoma ejo mu gisho murungi batwegesa na mindset change twashoma meze mukaga natwara kosi ya tailoring na igo kubazira kutwahereza meze mukaga batsi baratwata kutwatahire ngaka funde capital kwetandisharaho bakaba bashomise mindset change na jantire kandi aharubajwe itakara hakashomero nazabona ashabaho umurimo bakane babazira ama uniform gabana nazabona ashabaho umurimo mbakora echo mu gisho murungi director umurimo yagumpereza ukwezi akana ashashure mitwari naza ko nakora kuna mazameza 5 narunda na sente zo nagure cyane cyane nareba harubajwe nachitaho narundo mukozi namutaho yatanga kubazira umvira nona kubakuya mu munyikora mukama wanje kuyarebe ko nabe ninkora no bukugobo nabe nyine yanyongere mitware 5 yabe mitware 15 nakora hamezi ganje 5 nagure cyarana cyakabiri nakito munjweria narundo mukozi wa kabiri nawe namutaho baba bakozi babiri baza mu bakora nanye nakuya mu munyikora twakora sente nareba nakwata sente z'abakozi bari zibabemba kora nanyeze nabe nimfuna kunu ya murimo nasterana nagure cyane cyakashatu nacho nakitamu narondo umukozi wa kashatu nawe namutamu baba abakozi bashatu bakanga kora abakozi abo hati buri mukozi ni mushashure mitwaro 15 abakozi bashatu ejo ne mitwaro 25 niwe nganye ni saving mitwaro 30 deni ntahe mitwaro 15 eri kutunga kuri ya akashomera hindukora ebe mitwaro 5 eje mitwaro 5 mbasize kurebera habazire banje narebera ho barumuna banje ine barumuna banje abinkushashura umushomero nanyenye kandi nyerebera hatinchitega bazire banje amisho ebyo ndona nahabwa president ebyo kutwetera mbere esente zo hati echo mu Murundi mbona president kumanya rukunde je twinire tube turiyaho watandika turekeraho sako yitu twiguza mu account already hata hundo kugambira ositeyo miliyoni 50 muri miliyoni 50 ezo nimbasa kuzenye sente nyongero mu capital yanje capital hamuche nanye mbase kwebisaho ndetse kutega abazire banje amisho
izina nabaketo
amazina nabanyeta batamba Isaac batamba Isaac
batamba ato batamba hata n'ibintu bishatu ayino umwuga runyango rwako cyumva skill umwuga yihamwe ubwega ayine ntango y'ubwega ibiharani ubwego ubu bwazaremera umweshatu nakosa abantu bashaka abanyarwanda bane cyo kibagambira ubwega kuzaremera kariro ko batanga umushino ugamba kanzi
amazina ganje banyeta atire efarini kudachambangara nyungu ya kabiri ayo kweta mukasa nanje nkakora nashoma etakatano na herse school fees zabra na stama kunashize myaka 18 nashwerwa ushisha baembeka kumusubiza Nicholas tawe kasi abana babiri twahora program za yani studio encore abu yize papara yazayo yashoma Shombi kuyaba heko zile paper kimwesha modula yafa base kanshora na ba managers bizabizire kusika aho nho baperiro mwanya bakagira ngo niwe oine kusayo kashoma okarebera bana bawe nizima set controller abaze kubicuruza nanye kaza yo kashoma nkatwara course ya hair dressing na shoma na mindset change na shoma mezi mukaga nargayo nagarkomuka natandikaho saruni yanje hati nyine abakozi banje babiri izoba buri mukozi ni mushashira shinjika shanju kandi nanye savingaho intare yanje makunyama kwezi mbasize kwera abana banje school fees nanye ninyerebera nko mukazotine mushija nisima president Museveni webare byo twarire webare no kutugura account ejo shabaza kustera miliyoni 50 esaze question sa kutungura business zit Museveni
kale
atire efari
atwere hati ishokiri yanjye nyobetse rukwenda ishokiri yanjye rukwenda buyambi kwa kani peleza mshomo mashoke kama atumahora nawe atwere na ata inenta asia ayinomoga kandi naona akoresha abantu tuza kuseze ebishani so nabwecyo agari matafarana arushanju agari mu kushiga kwa NRM inja umpress confusion inja gava amatafara aganda ashatu naza korwa mu kichweke nabwecyo abo matafara gana nundo tukubashabira ngo muhagire NRM habo ko NRM ibyo kozire nibireba kandi ibikwija corona byo twabagambira nabo tubashaba kandi n'ibintu byo kumura amasho abo kandi bikwita Africa bokura Africa nezingama nambere muharangi ya pesheje zampa Amen. Umbana banje uri mu government n'umuhozo wenga ngakora government yanyu abana banje babaje byabo pastor ndo kubura abantu abo pastor kwenda kushoma Minnesota yatanga polisi n'umuriso wari aho n'umurisa n'umuhingi n'amanyabyondo nabo cy'imirimo eroho iyo bugega imirimo yo bugega rebo gariya n'abarumuna nkuko mukicyumu umuntu uri mu gavumenti wanjye n'umuhozi we abo ukunda ubusirikare n'abashukuru banjye n'abatangiye kushanga abazere babo nabo ikintu cya ukumuka kigambo cy'ubwega n'imirimo mukimanye muri cyo kugera muri ibi biyena umugurusi wa kikofira oye Kazo oye Uganda oye East Africa oye Okubingo buhoro Okwebirimo mwebale Nikureba nakane yoko yadu shitama nikureba yoko yadu shitama ne twaza fchero shitama nikureba nja kutereso.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Allow me to introduce to you the flag bearers of NRM in Kazo District. The woman MP flag bearer is Molly Kamkama. Museveni oye! Molly Kamkama oye! Your Excellency, Honorable Dan Chimosho is also our flag bearer for Kazo County. Dan Chimosho oye! Museveni oye! Molly Kamkama moves to the podium to receive her flag from the chairman and the presidential candidate of NRM. Thank you, thank you. Your Excellency, allow me to introduce the flag bearer for Kazo County, Honorable Dan Chimosho. NRM oye! Museveni oye! Dan Chimosho oye! Your Excellency, allow me to introduce to you the LC5 flag bearer for Kazo District, Mr. Samuel Mugisha. Mugisha oye! Museveni oye! NRM oye! Your Excellency, allow me to introduce to you our flag bearer for National Female Youth MP, my sister Diana Kampe. Diana oye! Museveni oye! Your Excellency, we also have the regional MP flag bearer for Western Uganda, my brother Tumwebaze Mwine. Mwine oye! Museveni oye! As His Excellency moves to have the photo opportunity with the flag bearers, can we have our young men and women from the Skilling Center coming closer? Move closer. Your Excellency, also here with us, we have members from the National Consultative Forum, a body that has most political parties of Uganda registered under it. These people from the Liberal Democratic Transparency, the Forum for Democratic Intelligence, the Activist Party, the People Can we have the Skilling Center? Our students from the Skilling Hub, joined by the PPS who has nurtured and ensured that these people are trained and well taken. The State House Financial Controller is joining them. She has been nurturing our students in this hub. Thank you. And Your Excellency, we have another photo opportunity with leaders of the National Consultative Forum. We have 9 political parties here who have not presented candidates for the presidential race, and they are supporting you. They believe in the leadership of NRM. They believe in the leadership of President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. I see there Mr. Tugume, who was once a spokesperson of the party that became National Unity Platform. They are standing with President Museveni to support him. We have the Activist Party, the People's Development Party, the Republican Women's Party, the National Economic Party. Your Excellency, all those political parties are with you. Finally, we have the gifts presented to you, Your Excellency. As the gifts come in, can we have the family of the Lumumba family having a photo opportunity with His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, the NRM presidential candidate. Thank you so much, Your Excellency, for leading us to a progressive country that is Uganda now. Your Excellency, the people of Kazo have a gift for you. Can we have the gift presented to Mzee? Can we have the gift? Your Excellency, allow me to also recognize my mother, Kebirunji Flavia, to wave to the people for giving us an office in Chinoni and ensuring that the NRM activities are well organized in that sub-county. His Excellency is receiving a gift. DJ, as you prepare for the anthems in reverse order. Can we have the gift? Can we have the gift presented? Thank you, Mzee Museveni. We have the best presidential candidate for NRM. We have had the best president for Uganda in the last 40 years. And the people of Uganda are once again saying they believe in your leadership and they are going to vote for you. Thank you so much. Kazo Museveni oye! NRM oye! You see, we have an able leader who has led us well, and he's still going to lead this country very well. We have trusted him, and we must continue to trust him. Thank you, Your Excellency. Thank you, the people of Kazo, for coming in large numbers. Thank you for showing support to the NRM. Vote for President Museveni. Vote for NRM candidates. Thank you so much. Your Excellency, our senior here has given us a full house in Chinoni sub-county here in Kazo for us to operate our NRM activities. Thank you so much. Thank you for loving Mzee, the people of Uganda. The NRM candidate has, for the last 40 years, ensured that we've had a very peaceful country. We have had a country that has progressed with its people. Thank you, thank you, thank you. DJ, prepare as Mzee moves to his tent. Prepare the anthems in reverse order. Prepare. Thank you, Your Excellency. Thank you, the people of Kazo. Can we have the anthems, please?
bujubajuba kandi hatari ukuteganusibwa urikoze simu yawe yimata star imwe mukagitano star inahashi ningashi scanning code kudownloadinga momo app ubaze kushashurira mizi amashanyarazi TV school fees n'ibindi byinshi munonga churubi kandi nikiyambo butashisha bwire iwe yahaye simu yawe woshashure ejo niyo momo amana gari kuretera kuchiraho
Oruwamkaga
oru taferwa twija kuba tuganira aha kutera plasta otakatire plasta n'ibintu ki ebyoshemeye kwa no genderaho ekisiga cyawe kimekwa kirita oshemeye kwa no koresa materials ki omukutera plasta tuza kuba twine engineer Justice na ija kwa natushobora buri kimwe cyona hatwatine otakatire oriyo no tera na waheza
shanga mizo rubyo mu gishara kungaga garimo ruwo yo garimo kakarimbo kigasyaho ngaraka twete inflorescence oshanga aka nakafulu kachira kwijaha aha plasta soka zamuka humwe yakamba kwetaka umungo murjungu ne inflorescence nikasikamu nikija mtoko gwa plasta ninga matafari ate cyo kijira bizigwa akozisi mwene umuntu akosa plasta unakosa miza gukuru wale wamamiza gugarije tigari mugatwitinde
byona na ija kwa nabitushobora program match orwa mukagoro shahemwe zo mwabazi
Otaferwa program yakadirisa birirwa kashe turi kwishaho ibyafaye byabazani nebikubakwataho akadirisa nikakorwa ganda mazoba arwo kubanza no rwa katano kugashamwenda o kwisa shamwenda necho kazihangwe aha TV West nehinda Banya-Uganda mwetebekanize ubu ni bwo bwire bwo kucamukana sente umukazana kare kubasa kwindura amagara gawe ubwo rikoresa shiringi 10,000 zonka yanditse shaheji uri kutera star 238 star 3 star 10 simu yawe abwa shiringi 10,000 zonka rero utegereza umuca ubwo kusingura sente nyamwinji ubwo uri kwirebera TV West buri zoba buri kwehandikisa ni kongera mica yawe okutoranwa okwetaba draw yo kwangura sente program yo mushonje hamwe no muneneserezo omwanguzi naza kwa naterwa simu kurabira ahari noti 2 noti chenda anana mwenda emirundo yo rukweta mu kazano niko ne mcha yawe kusingura iri kweyongera
Sunday
ukirize muri ruhanga ukuratire biragira ubyeye ugire discipline mu bikorere yawe science intandikire kushoma kankorese webigambo bigumire mukake neuroplasticity epigenetics cybernetics kebintu kebyo biroreka ngo amagezi gate bwenje butwine ni bwinji munonga aza turakira kukoresaho ka percentage 5 arigana turakira kutunga ubwire bwo kushutama ukatekereza tizande nakora kingire turakira kutunga ubwire ukamanya ngo nyewe beti urashwa ndina muto bakabara kundire ki